are now called together, called by bell and bird, called by mountains and plains, called by the beat of our hearts to join again the living tradition we share, to answer again the call of justice and love. Today, with the bell ringing from the Metropolitan Cathedral in Mexico City and the turquoise-fronted Amazon parrot calling from the trees of Brazil, let us remember the second of our tradition sources, words and deeds of prophetic people which challenge us to confront powers and structures of evil with justice, compassion, and the transforming power of love.